This is Putnam County Rescue Squad training video and application of a 5-to-1 preset mechanical advantage system. Here we have a makeshift anchor with a loaded line down over a cliff with a Stokes basket. Now we are going to demonstrate the application of the pre-made Z in the bag, ready to go. And go. The pre-made 5-to-1 system's all-inclusive, and it will attach to the anchor and the main line used in hauling up the patient and rescuers. As you can see, the system comes out of the bag ready to go, and it also is labeled so you can know where to place the system. So as you can see, this side here, you will turn it over until the tape points up, and it says attached to anchor, and it has an arrow pointing to the carabiner, which will attach to your anchor. Also, there is a carabiner with a line that says attached to anchor, which you will also attach to the anchor separately. Down here on Dale's end, we have attached to load with a Gibbs, which you can use to attach to the load line. Also in the basket is a separate piece of webbing or Persic that you can use with a Gibbs to attach to take up slack from the main line once it's pulled. So as you can see, Dale has pulled out the slack which came out of the bag of the line in the system. Now he is going to attach the Gibbs to the main line that is loaded with the patient and the rescuer. He pays close note to make sure that the arrow points to the load on the Gibbs. He will get that attached. Up to the anchor. Eddie has attached the other Gibbs in the basket, in the bag, to the line. As you will see here in a moment, when Andrew pulls on the 5-to-1 system, slack will be made in the main line, which will have to be taken out by this system here, this Gibbs. Okay? And as Andrew pulls, the basket is coming forward, the 5-to-1 is working, and Eddie is pulling out the slack. Okay, pause 1 second, pause. As you can see, this is caught and pulling the loaded line up through the mechanical advantage. The excess rope that is coming into the main line, taking slack out through the separate carabiner and Gibbs, which is included in the bag. Then we have our attached to anchor in, plus the line that is also attached here in the bag.
Reset the
Okay, now let's say we need to reset the haul. All we'll simply do, Dale's going to take off the traction on the Gibbs and pull it. The rope that Nixon was pulling on, he'll feed that into the system and he'll attach farther down. Now we're ready to haul again. As Nixon pulls, the 5-to-1 collapses and we're pulling the basket up. There we go. At this point, if we needed to pull any more, we could reset the Gibbs and pull forward. This is a pre-set up 5-to-1 system, Putnam County Rescue Squad training.